Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another wonderful video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own almond milk. And it is so easy. Okay? It is so easy. So what you're going to need for this is some vanilla extract. Okay? And you're just going to need some almonds. Alright, and I bought this bag of almonds from my Pakistani store. And I paid $14.99 for a 3-pound bag. Alright, so you're also going to need a bowl and measuring cup, okay? So what we're going to do is measure 3 cups of almonds. Alright, so you're going to take 3 cups of almonds, put it in a bowl, and we're going to be using 6 cups of water. Put our water into our bowl of almonds, and we're going to soak it for at least 4 hours. Now, 4 hours later, our almonds are finished, and they're going to look swollen. They're going to look a little swole, okay? And we're going to strain our almonds. Okay, so I've strained my almonds, rinsed it, and now we're going to add it to our blender. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of water to our blender. And next, we're going to put it in our blender, and we're going to make it into a thick paste. Alright, so after you finish making it into a paste, you're going to put the remaining water into your blender, and then you're going to blend it for at least 1 minute on low. What we're going to also do is add 2 teaspoons of our vanilla extract. Okay? We'll do that teaspoons. Next, we're going to blend it for 2 minutes on high. So next, we're going to get some cheesecloth. And this I bought at my local supermarket. So I cut a piece of it, and now I'm going to put it over my container. And I'm just going to strain out the milk. Going to squeeze out all the milk. And there you have it, you guys, your almond milk. You put it in your refrigerator. It can last up to 3 days in your refrigerator. You use it and it's delicious, okay? And you can use the remaining almonds, like say the almonds that you squeezed out, you can use it for baking as a nut flour, all right? So nothing is wasted. And it's that simple, you guys. Easy to make almond milk. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more videos like this where you can make wonderful ideas like this. Also like, comment, and subscribe down below. So until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.